Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. In this video, I'm going to tell you the perfect size container or pot for your garden. If you're now starting off the garden, guys, and you're wondering which container, which size of container, or how to go about a container, I'm going to show you guys right here. Alright guys, so right here, I have a 5-gallon container. So guys, a 5-gallon container is perfect for a lot of plants. And if you look at the bottom of these containers, guys, it has all the whole pre-drilled holes in the bottom. And the reason why to get holes in the bottom, guys, if you ever wonder, is for excess air, excess water. So if you overwater, it just drains right through. I'm going to show you guys in my garden some of the plants that I use with this container, and I don't have a problem. But some other plants, major plants, you do need bigger container. You could go with 8-gallon, 10-gallon container. If you guys want to get your hands on these containers that I have, check the link in the description, guys. I'll leave it right there. It takes you to Amazon, and these are the exactly one I got. I did bought a bunch several years back from Amazon, and I love these guys. They're really strong, they're made well, they're reusable, and every year you just use it back, you wash it out, and it's really good. Choosing the right container is very important for your garden. If you choose a small container for a zucchini plant, for an example, zucchini plant is a big plant and it produces a lot, and the roots get massive. Picking a 3-gallon container for a zucchini plant, guys, it's not gonna work the best. Even if it works, the root is just gonna come up above the soil. It's not enough soil, you're not going to get enough nutrients, you're not going to get enough water, so you're not going to produce massive fruit. If you guys want to learn how to prune your zucchini or squash plant, end of the video, guys, I'll leave the link. Check it out. It's pruning like a pro. But guys, as you can see, a 5-gallon container, soil, you fill it all. At least if you come up to here, your root would not come up. And then I put some grass clip in there. Right over here, squash plant, you guys could see another 5-gallon container. So basically, I have a lot of 5-gallon container, guys. And if you're now starting off, guys, it's always good to choose one plant. If you're gonna do zucchini or squash, you know, you do want to use one plant per container because they're a big plant, guys. And if you're new, don't forget, guys, subscribe to GreenTGarden. Over here, guys, I have a 5-gallon container, and I have 2 cucumber plants. I do have to do some pruning. I'll show you guys in another video. So I do have a 5-gallon container, 2 cucumber plants, and they're growing really nice. You can see the leaf, rich green, beautiful leaves. Plants are growing. They'll produce very soon. So guys, as you see my garden, I use tons of more of 5-gallon container. And I'm gonna tell you, containers are really expensive. They're really pricey, and the price don't really go down on container, guys. For some reason, they know the gardeners love it, we need it, and they're like, all right, you guys gonna pay full price. So guys, check in the description box. I have the exactly same link of containers, and I'm gonna leave the link for my seeding trays and all that stuff that I use, and you guys gonna go ahead and check it out. As you're now starting off, you do want to go with a good size container. So go with a 5-gallon container, guys. Even if the plant is small, you have enough soil, you have enough space, your plant will grow. You do not want to waste time. You do not want to put a big plant in a small pot and not get production, not able to harvest many times. So that's the reason you have to watch. So guys, make sure 5-gallon container and up. If you do not have a big garden, 5-gallon container is perfect. And you guys gotta make sure when growing your plants in a container, guys, container always need more plant food, fertilizer, compost, water, and fresh soil. So you always gotta stay on top of that in a container to get it the best out of your plant, guys. Alright guys, don't forget, if you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button. It's 100% free, guys. I got some awesome, really awesome, amazing tips and tricks coming up in the garden, guys. I'll show you guys the progress after a couple of days pruning my squash and zucchini plant. Was it worth it? I'll tell you guys all about that coming up in the other video. And thank you guys for watching Green Tea. Always, guys, any question or any tips you guys want to share with the audience, guys, and myself, I do appreciate it, and everybody do appreciate it. So go ahead and comment, guys. Let me know what you think, and thank you for watching. See you guys.